nervous?
No, I'm not nervous.
Killer headache. Head. Ugh. My stomach is killing me. It's like I ate a horse. For what?
Paying for the Hulk's lunch.
Excuse me.
You didn't...
That was fun. And I needed it.
Be more fun with hot dogs.
We should take care of that before your growling stomach causes an earthquake. They're on me. How many you want?
One.
One.
Yeah, one cart.
Hey, I'm gonna go, Class is now in... Exhale, let it all out. Again, breathe in. In. Hold it until you feel like you can't hold it anymore. And dump it all out. Dump that air out like it's a big dump truck. Get it out. Beautiful. Moving on, we're gonna do a quick bridge. Everyone, hands at our sides, flat on the floor, with the feet.
Els experts diuen que les serps són molt perilloses i avisen a la gent de quedar-se a casa. La policia ha tancat els carrers i ha advertit la gent que no s'acosti.
What are you doing?
좀.
쌤!
그나저나. 아우, 스트레스 받으니까 배가.
안 돼! 저기서라도!